Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's provide the solution to this problem. Solution. Now, we are given 2 exponent x plus x equals to 2059. So, you can pause the video and give it a try. Okay. Now, what we are going to do here is very simple, but you have to pay attention, else it will be complicated for you. All right, so I'll keep this one here and send this x to the other side. So I'll write this one as 2 to the power x equals to 2059 minus x. Okay, now I want to group, or I want to send everything to one side, so I have to dissolve this 2 to the power x. So what I'll do is to divide both sides. I'll divide both sides by 2 to the power x. To the power x, and this side will cancel. So I will leave it 1 equals to, so we have 2059 minus x on 2 to the power x. Okay, now let me write this one on my left, then write this one on my right. So remember, 1 over a to the power n is the same as a to the power minus n. So we have 2059 minus x times 2 to the power minus x. As simple as that. Equals to 1. Now, before we can complete this question, we have to introduce a function called Lambert W. So we are going to introduce Lambert W function here. And before we can find Lambert W function, now when you are given m times c raised to m, and you take Lambert W function, the answer will be m. And before Lambert W function will be possible, now what we have here must be equal to this. As simple as that. So W function of box times e to the power box, the answer is box. Now let's observe this. We want to introduce something here, but we have to make sure this 2059 minus x, okay, we have to make sure we get the same thing here. Now we have minus x here, but 2059 is missing here. So what we are going to do is to balance this by multiplying both sides by, so we have 2059 minus x to the power minus x. So I'll multiply this side by 2 to the power 2059, and I'll do same here. 1 times 2 to the power 2059. Okay, so that's nicely done here. Now the next thing is to perform indices, loss of indices. So we are multiplying the powers Okay, you have to do with the powers. Since the bases are equal, we have to add the powers. So we have 2059 minus x. So I'll write 1, 2. So 2059 plus minus x will be 2059 minus x equals to this time, that 2 to the power 2059. As simply. Okay, so we have 20 to the power 2059. Okay, now before we can introduce the Lambert W function, let's understand this. Now when you have e raised ln, okay, of x, the answer is x. E raised to ln of p, the answer is p. Before we can introduce this, we need to support this. Okay, so what we are going to do is to write this one as 2059 minus x. So instead of 2, I'll make it e ln of that. So I'll say e ln 2 raised to 2059 minus x equals to 2 raised to 2059. Okay, why are we doing this? Because we want to take the w function. Okay, all right, so we can rewrite this one as 2059 minus x. So we have e. Now this one is a power rule. Remember, e raised to ln of a to the power x. So this one will come here, that will be e raised to x ln of a. As simple as that. Okay, so this side will be, everything here will be 2059 minus x ln of 2. So this is ln of 2, and this one is a power rule here, equals to 2 raised to 2059. Okay, now let's observe this and that. So this and that, something is missing. Okay, before we can take the w function, we have to make sure what is here. So we have box e raised to box before we can take the w function, but this and that are unequal. Ln of 2 is missing. So what we are going to do is to multiply both sides by ln 2. So that will make this side 2059 minus x times ln of 2. Then we have e raised to that minus x ln of 2 equals to ln of 2 times 2 to the power 2059. Okay, so gradually the answer is coming out. All right, so now that this side equals that, let's take the w function. So we have w function of 2059 minus x ln of 2 e 2059 minus x ln of 2 equals w function of ln of 2 times 2 raised to 2059. So 2059. So this side, remember the rule, this equals that. So w function will be one of them. So we have 2059 minus x ln of 2 equals to W function of, now let me adjust this. So we have ln of 2 times, now instead of 2059, let me write this one as 2 to the power 0 48 times 2 to the power 11. Now 11 plus 2048 will be 2059. So I've done nothing. So now repeat this one. 2059 minus x ln of 2, and I have W function ln of 2 times 20 to the power 2048 times 2 to the power 11. Okay, now what we are trying to do here is very simple. Since we have W function of this, we are going to adjust this in such a way that we get E box times E to the power box. So that taking W function will be box. As simple as that. Okay. So what we are going to do here is to write this one as W function. So we have 2 to the power 11. Since we are multiplying, we can arrange them like this: 2 to the power 11 ln of 2. Now I'll introduce E here for this. So times E raised to ln of 2 to the power 2048. So this side remains 2059 minus x ln of 2. So we have 2059 minus x ln of 2 equals to W function. Now what is 2 to the power 11? On the calculator will be 2048 ln of 2. Okay, now remember this one is a power rule. That will be 2048 ln of 2. Now the next step will be 2059 minus x ln of 2. So let's look at this one carefully. So this one is the same as this. Okay, so my W function, taking W function will be 2048 ln of 2. Okay, so this side will go, I'll be left with 2059 minus x equals to 2048. So 2059 minus 2048 equals to x. So 2059 minus 2048 is simply 11. So we have 11 equals to x. So 11 equals to x. So 2 to the power x plus x equals to 2059. If you plug in 11 plus 11, so this side will be 2048 plus 11. That will make it 2059. Hence proved. All right, so that's that. So subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.